Hi everyone, so although I did show you some photos of the Mclaren Senna S, I didn't actually show you the video footage, so I'm going to show you that now. It's a phenomenal car, absolute beast. Also glad I got to see one in the flesh. Hi everyone, so I've had to cut the sound out of this one because don't want to get done for copyright in the future. So check this beast out, the Mclaren Senna. The fastest track-focused road hypercar that Mclaren have ever built. It's got 659 brake horsepower. It even surpasses the McLaren P1 GTR, which is the other car that is one of my absolute favourites. This car and the P1 are my absolute favourites. I was so happy to see it, but so difficult to get close to it. So many people wanted to film it, as you would imagine. Possibly the best car at the show. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that, guys. There's a couple of photos that I took of the Senna. Look at the exhaust on that. It's a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8. The most powerful internal combustion engine McLaren have ever built. 800 kilograms of downforce. Absolute beast. So there you go, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please give the upload a like and subscribe to the channel.